Kids, today we're going to draw a happy little umbrella. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures. Oh no, our umbrella is feeling cold. Let's warm it up with beautiful colors. The little umbrella is waiting for your colors to make it smile. Keep watching until the end and let's make it the happiest umbrella ever. First, let's color it red. Wow, looking great! Now let's add blue. So cool! Next, color it pink. So pretty! Now let's use yellow. It's getting brighter. Finally, add green. Yay! Our umbrella is colorful and happy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun drawing adventures.